Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Coinbase Wallet recovery phrase storage practices, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start updating your Coinbase Wallet recovery phrase storage practices, first, open your Coinbase Wallet app. Next, navigate to the settings menu by tapping the gear icon. Select the option for security to access your recovery phrase settings. You will see the option to view your current recovery phrase. Before proceeding, ensure you're in a secure environment where no one can see your screen. Carefully write down your recovery phrase on a piece of paper. Avoid taking screenshots or storing it digitally to enhance security. Once you've recorded it, consider using a fireproof and waterproof safe to store the paper securely. If possible, create a backup by writing it down again and storing it in a different secure location. It's crucial to inform someone you trust about the existence and location of your recovery phrase in case of emergencies. Next, go back to the settings menu in your Coinbase Wallet app. Select the option to delete or reset recovery phrases. Confirm your choice to ensure your previous recovery phrase is no longer accessible. Now, proceed to update any recovery options associated with your wallet. Consider using a password manager to securely store the recovery phrase label, if necessary. Remember, your recovery phrase is the key to accessing your wallet and assets. Regularly review your storage practices to adapt to any new security measures. Finally, check your Coinbase Wallet settings periodically to ensure your recovery phrase is still adequately protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.